In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly silence a specific audio track in your project without deleting anything, DaVinci Resolve makes that very simple. This is especially useful when you're comparing different versions of audio, muting background music for a moment, or temporarily turning off a microphone track while you continue editing. The nice thing is that muting a track does not remove it from your timeline. It just disables the sound from that track so you can work more cleanly and make better editing decisions. To begin, go to your timeline where all of your video and audio tracks are arranged. Take a moment to look through the track area and identify the audio track you want to disable. If your project has several layers of sound, such as dialogue, music, sound effects, or ambient audio, it helps to make sure you're selecting the correct track before muting it. Once you've found the audio track you'd like to disable, look along the track controls on the left side of the timeline area. On the track, you'll see an icon labeled with the letter M. This M stands for mute. When you click it, that track will be muted, which effectively disables its audio playback in the timeline. After you click the M icon, the audio on that track will no longer be heard while you play back your project. This is a fast and non-destructive way to turn off a track because the audio itself still remains in place and can be turned back on whenever you need it. That makes it ideal for testing how your edit sounds with or without certain elements. If you want to re-enable the track later, simply click the M icon again. That will unmute the track and restore its audio during playback. This gives you an easy way to switch tracks on and off as you refine your edit. A helpful tip is to play the timeline immediately after muting the track, just to confirm that you disabled the correct audio layer. If you're working with many tracks, this can save time and help prevent confusion. That's all it takes to disable an audio track in DaVinci Resolve. It's a very small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing your sound and keeping your edit under control.